Starting with the superb gem, a 1957 Washington quarter from Philadelphia Mint. This is attractively toned specimen with CAC approval, graded MS68 by PCGS. This coin is utmost rarity in this condition. The finest 1957 Washington quarters certified are a pair of MS68 coins at PCGS and half-dozen pieces at NGC, in same numeric grade according to Heritage Auctions. Of these, just two are CAC endorsed. Vivid multicolor toning adorns each side, while the central reverse shows warm champagne color. A bold strike and satiny luster produce ample eye appeal. Formerly from the Steubenville collection, these Washington quarter ended up selling for $11,400 at Heritage Auctions. Next up is his quarter dollar, another sharply struck, vividly toned, superb gem, graded in mint state 68 as well, also by PCGS. Tied for the finest graded 1936S quarter known to PCGS. The significance of this offering for set registry collectors can hardly be overstated. A dusting of vanilla patina dominates the centers, while rich autumnal iridescence of rose, russet, reddish gold, and antique gold at the peripheries accents the rims. Frosted surfaces are sharply struck and approach perfection. This kind of superior quality and eye appeal would be rare even on the later date Washington quarter. To have it on example of semi-key date San Francisco Mint issue from the 1930s is truly remarkable. While 3.8 million coins were struck for the 1936S, only about 10% survive in all grades. At the gem level, it's very scarce, and it becomes a significant condition rarity in MS67 and above. This elusive gem ended up selling for $21,600 at Stack's Bowers auction. Now look at this relatively modern quarter dollar. It may seem damaged to you, as it's clear that not all letterings and design elements, mainly the head part of the George Washington's portrait, is missing. This is an error coin. A 2002 D Tennessee statehood quarter struck on a dime planchet, graded MS65 by PCGS. The Denver Mint mark is complete on this wrong-planchet quarter dollar. The centering favors the statehood side at 12 o'clock at the expense of three legends near 6 o'clock, which are absent, as is all of United States of America. Almost all of quarter dollar is present. A hint of golden toning visits unblemished surfaces. Formerly in the collection of Fred Weinberg, this highly coveted error coin ended up selling for $6,600 at Heritage Auctions. The 2024 Washington quarter may seem ordinary pocket change for you, but sometimes even such ordinary coins fetch a lot more than their face value. Here we have an MS67 graded 2024 S Washington quarter featuring Patsy Takemoto Mink, recently sold at Great Collections auction for over $150. This coin stands out for its perfect condition with exceptional luster and pristine surfaces. Patsy Mink, honored on the reverse, was trailblazing politician and the first woman of color elected to the US government, adding historical significance to this release. The combination of high-grade preservation, the limited mintage of San Francisco proof coins, and Mink's prominent legacy contributed to the coin's value. Collectors appreciate both its rarity in top condition and its tribute to an influential figure in American history. So, as I mentioned before, this superb gem fetched over $150 at Great Collections auction. And here is one of the most valuable and expensive Washington quarters sold recently in 2024. This is among the finest certified by PCGS, presenting you the keyed in Washington Quarter Series 1932S Washington Quarter. Graded in Mint State 66 by PCGS. The three 1932 dated issues of the new Washington design type are only quarters produced by the United States Mint 1930s from 1931 through 1933. The Great Depression served to limit the coinage of many denominations during the early to mid-1930s, and the quarter was no exception. At just 4.8 thousand coins struck, in fact the 1932S has the lowest mintage in circulation strike Washington series, and it is the rarest issue of this type in gem state after the only 1932D, the Denver issue. Extraordinary premium gem quality for a keyed Washington Quarter issue that enjoys strong demand throughout the numismatic grading scale. Halos of warm russet and bronze peripheral iridescence are more pronounced on the reverse. The centers on both sides brilliant apart from delicate antique silver tinting, fully frosted in finish with razor-sharp strike and outstanding surface preservation. It ended up selling for $26,400 at Stack's Powers auction. Now that you've seen these rare and valuable Washington Quarters from 2024, I'm curious, do any of you have one of these in your collections? If you have, you can send us their pictures, and we can showcase them in our future live streams. Email address is shown above as always. It's worth taking a closer look. Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights on valuable coins. Thanks for watching, and God's willing, see you in the next video.